I'm sorry, excuse my shenanigans, but hey, how are you today? Okay, y'all, let me turn it down. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So y'all, today I just wanted to do a quick life update because your girl has so much has changed, y'all. I know like people on Instagram have been like, what's wrong with your YouTube? Like, why are you not posting anymore? But here, this is a time to address it, so we can move on, so we can, start enjoying the journey ahead of us. So y'all, my first live update today, if you haven't noticed already from the new background, y'all, but I have moved from California back to Ohio. So I'm now living in Ohio and I'm working here now. So also that's my second one, is that I have a new job now and it's been going amazing so far. It's really nice to be able to reconnect with old friends, connect with new friends, and just be close to family and all the good stuff, all the good stuff. So that's been some of the things that's been happening in my life. Also, I have a new apartment, so your girl is no longer paying $1,800 in California, so this is super nice. But yeah, so moved. What else? I'm also now, so I have transitioned, so I finished my OPT this May, so it ended May 31st, but I am now on an H-1B visa. And give it up, give it up, give it up. Y'all, if you don't know, I need to do a video on the H-1B process because it is tedious. Like, I feel for every international student that has to go through that because it is just so strenuous. To celebrate my move, I have just been like living. I've been going out a lot more thanks to my boyfriend and also my friends here who've been pushing me to go out more. But also there's another big massive news that I have to share. I decided to start a brand new channel. Just from the scratch, just me doing my thing, but also I want this channel to be more fun, to show my quirks and just all the other stuff, because I feel like my other channel was extremely formal and I'm just like, I like to be formal most of the times, but I also want to add a little bit of fun in there, but so this channel is going to be everything that, not everything, but most things that I think that represent me. So my culture, so my food, so it's going to be about food, it's going to be about lux, it's going to be about education, which is a big piece of who I am and my identity, but it's also just going to be about like meat, whether I'm taking a trip to like, I don't know, to freaking Walmart, so going to Walmart, or even going to, I don't know, wherever I'm trying to go to, the bar, like just anything fun that I think y'all would like to see. But I want this channel to be more authentic, to be more representative of the whole me, the whole Winnie Bush. So yeah, so stay tuned, y'all. But yeah, so that's where I've been. I'm just still trying to kind of, because I just moved here like a month ago now, back to Ohio, so I'm still trying to kind of find my fit again and find my foot. My mom always said when you go to a new place, you have to limp before you walk. So right now I'm still limping, even though I know I've been here before, but it's an amazing transition. So I'm really looking forward to everything that it honestly brings. I'm excited for the journey. I'm looking forward to the journey, and I hope that y'all will come on this journey with me. So if you haven't subscribed to this channel already, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button, y'all. Hit that subscribe button, press like on this video. And also, if anything has changed in your life as well and you would like to share, please put that in the comment box below. Thank you all so much for watching. Until next time, my name remains Winnie Bush. Bye, y'all.